Okay, so we're about to start this long awaited room tour. I hope you guys are ready. It was worth the wait for me. I hope it was worth the wait for you. Let's start. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this side of the room. I'm going to also mention where I got everything from, just in case you guys see anything that you like that you would like to grab. Okay. Alright, so when you first walk into the room, I had this changed out. It was some color, I don't even remember. It was like a plastic white. It was like this. I don't know if I'm going to change all of them, but I definitely wanted to change that one to silver. Yeah, so I got this calendar. This is for 2021, by the way. I got this calendar from Walmart. I was literally walking down the aisle minding my business and hit the corner and I seen this. Oh, y'all know I had to get it. And it has not just Ariel, it has all the Disney princesses. Mulan also is big. I just want y'all to know that. Okay, anyways. And as we walk over here, I did have these changed to silver. These used to be gold. Woo, it was terrible. So yeah, and I also had the room repainted as well. I repainted the doors. My stepfather actually painted my room, and this color is so pretty, you guys. It's like a cool tone gray. I had 3 different samples. I'll insert the clip of that as well. Okay, and we are back. We are back, and everything is fully dry. Okay, so this is the chic gray, natural gray, and graceful gray. It's looking like the chic gray, like I said, in store. That's gonna be it. So that's looking like the winner so far. This is them close up. Bye bye, ugly door. So yeah, I wanted something that wouldn't clash with the pink. Yeah, so let's start with the nightstand area. I got these 2 mirrors from Walmart, and then I believe they're about maybe 20 something a piece, I believe. Yeah, I got this chandelier or nightstand lamp from Amazon. It's really cute, really cute. There's a switch right here for off and on. There's also there's also a USB switch right here to charge your phone, which I love. And then this is just a little cute candle bowl. I'm actually gonna replace it with flowers instead of candles, just because I have these fake candles here that are really cute. I'm gonna show you a clip of what my room looks like at night with these on, with also the Christmas tree being on. Okay, this nightstand in particular, I got 2 of the same ones. This is from Wayfair. Okay, and here I have my cute mermaid cup that is custom made. I'm going to shout out my friend's business. She makes these. It has my name on it and the mermaid tail. Y'all, I was shook because I didn't ask for the mermaid tail, but I was shook when I seen it, and I love it. Okay, she also makes coasters as well, and I told her I wanted pink, white, and silver to go with my room, and I love them a lot. It also comes with the straw too as well, and it keeps your drinks either piping hot or really cold depending on what you put inside of it. She also leaves a thank you note inside of it as well, so it's really nice. Support your friends. Okay, all right, so let's get to the bedding. This is also the headboard set is also from Wayfair as well. So this pillowcase in particular comes from Walmart as well. It also came with the matching sheets as well. This is from Target. This whole bedding right here is from Target. I definitely wanted to stay within that cream tone. I definitely didn't want pure white because I'm a mess when it comes to white, but I've been doing pretty good so far. Yeah, so I kept it clean this long, but I'm definitely, when it's time to get it clean, I'm gonna get it professionally clean because I don't want to mess it up. But yeah, I got this from Target. It was like $69. It was on sale. Gotta catch the sales, y'all. Got to. Okay. So you get the bedding and you get the pillowcases, as well as these 2 pillows came along with it. This is from an old bedding decor that I had, and I believe I got this. I don't even remember where I got that pillow from. I had this pillow for a long time. I don't know if I bought it or someone gave it to me. I can't remember. Okay. And these 2 fluffy pillows are from Walmart as well. So a lot of my stuff is from places that aren't too expensive. I didn't want to spend a lot of money. Who does? But the most expensive thing in here is probably this darn mirror, which we're gonna get to in a minute. But yeah, pretty much everything is from Target, Walmart, Wayfair, things of that sort, and Amazon. So I also wanted to show you guys as well, you don't have to spend a lot of money. And this throw blanket is from Target as well. I love it. This carpet is from Walmart as well, also within that cream colored family. Yeah, so when we go to this side, it's basically the same thing that's on the other side, but this flower arrangement in particular is from Home Goods. I saw it and I had to grab it. I wish it was 2, but it only was 1. I also got these curtains from Wayfair as well. If you're someone who pays attention to detail and different textures and tones and everything like that, you are going to notice that this is more of a white tone, versus my bedding is more of a cream tone in person. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but in person it's more so a cream tone rather than a white. There is a difference, people. There is a difference. So so yeah, this is more white tone, and there's a crushed velvet texture as well to go along with the bedding, but the tones aren't that different to where you can really like tell. Yeah, okay. And this beautiful picture that I love. Okay, I'm gonna get on the bed. Okay, so this picture is so beautiful. I bought it off a store off of Etsy. I will link her information down below. I believe the picture, the cost for like printing it and downloading it was only like $10, and I got it printed out at Staples. And I got this picture frame from Walmart. It was black originally, and I painted it white. Yeah, you can tell when you guys get a little bit closer, you can see that this was painted. So you probably couldn't see that from far away, but yeah, it used to be black and I painted it white so it can go along with the picture. Pretty, so pretty. And I loved how the pink also matches the pink in the room. So this picture is definitely a staple in the room. One of my best friends told me that this basically ties the room together, and I have to agree, it definitely does. So yeah, so now you guys have seen this side of the room. I've detailed where everything has come from. I will try to link down everything that I've gotten from this room in the description box. I believe all of this stuff is still available. So yeah, I will show y'all my closet, but people Christmas gifts in there and they watching this video. No. These pictures I literally just got in. This was the last thing I was waiting for. I got these from Amazon. They were like 40 bucks. But they actually came with 2 more pictures, which is pretty good. They would have filled up this whole wall. The picture frames, Walmart. The bigger ones I believe were like $9. The smaller ones were like $5 or something. Now this bench is also another thing that I just got this week. Anyways. But this came from Wayfair as well, and it's also more of the white tone versus the cream, but nonetheless it's not a big deal and it's pretty darn cute. Yeah. And now let's get to this Christmas tree. Okay, y'all, it's leaning. It's leaning. Okay, I gotta fix the base, but whatever. I got these ornaments from some friends. Really appreciate them. And this one as well from a friend with my name on it. Like, what? I like custom things. Pretty cute. I am gonna show a clip of what the room looks like at night with the Christmas tree on and the candles and everything. Y'all, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Okay, now for the main event. This vanity area. Okay, I'm sure you guys have heard about Impressions Vanity. They're pretty big. They're pretty big on social media. It's just a popular brand and all. I'm sure you guys have seen them or heard of them. Yeah, so I remember going to BeautyCon one year and they had like this whole setup and I was like, oh my god, I would love to have one of these. And I do, and I'm so happy. This is what it's looking like. Hella big. It weighs 98 pounds. Okay. I just opened the box just so I can take a look at the mirror. So it's a box inside of a box. So it looks like it's pretty well protected. Yeah. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. Yeah, sure. So I will link their shop down below if you guys want to check them out. They do have smaller ones than these as well if you have like a smaller area to work with. I have my lipsticks right here, not all of them, some of them, and then my makeup brushes. This came from my best friends, this one and this one. This cup, y'all, this cup. My friends know me. Mermaid for life, okay? Yeah. So this, if you guys are interested in a mirror like this, it's definitely worth it. These are daytime bulbs. There is a difference. These are soft, but it's definitely the best lighting you can get. This is not hot at all. It will never get hot. I forgot what type of bulb these are, but these aren't the normal bulbs that you see on different vanities. These do not get hot. My old vanity used to have the regular light bulbs on it, and I'm telling you, if you would brush up on it and forget it was just on, you done. Fried. Okay, it has this on and off switch right here. You guys can see how dark the room had just gotten. This lighting is serious. I don't even ever have on my normal lighting ever because this don't need to. And it also has a dimming switch as well, as you guys can see. Okay. And on the other side it has USB ports and plugs as well, so I can actually curl my hair here, charge my phone, whatever. There's also another one that comes with like there's also another one that comes with a Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, and I didn't feel the need for it, but if you're someone who's gonna buy this for like your personal shop, you want to play music or whatever, you know, go ahead and knock yourself out. Okay, and on this side of my drawer I do have my makeup side. I have all different tones because like I said, I do makeup and stuff on the side when I'm not working. Yeah, so it's makeup, a lot of makeup. And on this side I have a bunch of hair tools, as you guys can see. Y'all, I need to organize this one. So, oh, I didn't talk about this chair. And last but not least, I got this chair from Impressions Vanity as well, okay? Definitely love this. It's a crushed velvet, as you guys can see. That's pretty much the theme in here, the crushed velvet type of look. Although this pink doesn't really match with the other pinks that I have in this room, it's okay. none of these really kind of go together, the pinks, but you guys pretty much get the point. I wanted the Glam baby pink room. So I ended up having to take it off and redo it because I had it behind it. It needs to be on the side so I can easily get to it. Okay. And as you see, it has a zipper here, so you can take it off and wash it if need be, which is pretty good. So my overall inspiration from this room was definitely Pinterest. If you guys are trying to do a room and you guys want particular colors like this one, like a pink blush, go to Pinterest. They have really good ideas for you to go off of, so that's where I got mine from. This is definitely like a glam vibe type of room with blush pink accents on it. And if I get bored with the pink or I get tired of it, I can easily switch these different accent pieces out for different colors. Now, as far as this chair, I can just basically have this material taken off and get another color, because there is a way to take this off, I believe. So yeah, that was it. If you have any more questions that I didn't answer, or if you're curious about a few things, please comment down below and I'll answer them for you. Yeah, this is my room tour, guys. Now I gotta go get my nails done because shawty, gotta go. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.